What's up guys? Welcome back to our vlog. So, in today's video, ito po yung pagbabalik namin. I mean, this would be our first show after the pandemic and the typhoon here in the Philippines. So, come on guys, and I will take you on ano yung mangyayari for today's vlog. So, see you and tada! Dito na po kami. We are now here in SM Seaside Cebu. Dito kami sasayaw. Tapos dito yung show namin. Dito yung venue. So, some of the members of Don Juan are here. And let's go and find them. Here's Obi. Obi is here. So, dalawa pa lang yung nandito. Si Dansoy at si Tata. Gini ako ba? Ha? Lagi? Dumig. Lagay kayo. Dito na si Don at si Tata.
Wow naman! Wow!
Sindakan lang yan eh.
Ito po yung event. This is the event. It's Franklin 56th birthday.
Mike?
Or stand by our dressing room na ito, sir.
Hello guys! Uy! Show na naman kami!
Bola lang yan. Sinungaling ka!
Hello guys! We're here at SM Seaside Cebu. You! Tawa natin ka, sure manon? Anong sure? Please, Tagalog, speak. Speak in Tagalog.
Gini ako ba?
Please, Tagalog speaking. Tingnan ba? Tagalog ba? Jun, bakit nag-short ka? George!
Saan na ta?
Bakit nag-short ka, John? Eh, bakit? Lugayan. Nanya, pasanay mo soda. Ay.
Luwi! Pagkulo ba?
Saan mo kasi ka? Short, manong ka. Walang kapasyon to.
Isuy ka nga, bulol ka naman.
Wala tong passion, no? Wala, hindi passion na sis. Malaki ang tiyan niya, no? Parang mayroon na. Basta din na,
Gini ako ba?
So, what's up, guys?
Gini ako. NANI?!
Guys, we will have our rehearsal. Let's go. So, ito po yung venue. We will have our tech run here. We will have our tech run here. This is the stage. Ilag ka. Ilag ka.
Ginagawa mo?
ill. So we will start our rehearsal
Yes po.
to the stage.
Balik pa sa katawan ng sugod. Wala na
So, nandito na si Yugi, nandito na si Yugi, nandito na si Yugi, nandito na si Yugi. Kakatapos lang namin mag-rehearse and then we were going to prepare for the show to start. We are on standby right now because we're gonna perform our first dance. And yeah, let's go.
Ano ka nasisira, ulo?